Most organisations aren't short on effort, they're short on consistent oversight. Requirements change, supply chains shift, evidence ends up scattered across people, emails, and systems. And then, when a client, auditor, or insurer asks for proof, everything suddenly feels urgent. That's where TPMG comes in. We bring clarity, control, and proof. We add structure, sequencing, and independent assurance, so you know what matters most, what to fix first, and how to evidence it properly. Then, we help you use the best fit tools to keep safety, compliance, and governance under control, including optimizing the platforms you already have, so you're not starting from scratch. Here's what that means for you. First, the right tools, set up properly. We help you select and implement best fit systems, or tighten what you already use, so your compliance and risk controls run consistently, not inconsistently. Second, evidence buyers trust. You get clear actions, clear ownership, and audit-ready proof that stands up to procurement, stakeholder scrutiny, and contract requirements. If you want to feel confident that your organisation is in control and able to prove it, TPMG is here to help. Hope that helps.